What's the meaning of agony? Agony. 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 Agony refers to extreme physical or emotional pain or suffering. It is a feeling of intense discomfort and distress that can be caused by a variety of factors, such as illness, injury, loss, or trauma. When someone experiences agony, they may feel overwhelmed and unable to cope with their circumstances. They may exhibit signs of distress, such as crying, moaning, or writhing in pain. Ultimately, the result of agony can be a sense of hopelessness and despair, as the individual struggles to find relief from their suffering.